Hey everybody,
Hi.
welcome back. And for this one, we are doing the Shovel Knight.
Yep.
Here we go. Okay, easy. So the Shovel Knight, big head, lots of armor, and a shovel. So we are starting sort of this area over here, so that he can have horns as well. Remember, his helmet has horns on it. So
Like Viking.
yeah, like a Viking. So we will start with a T shape. So just that line going across the top of the T. Some lines coming down on either side so that you have that. And we move in and that side as well. And we have the top bar of a T and we bring the T down just a bit. Just a bit. Now we have to draw the rest of the helmet around, but we just stick to this height because we need to add something to it afterwards. So we just like that, not too big. Okay. So now we need to draw his chest plate. His chest plate is so big that it overlaps the bottom of the helmet a bit. That's why we didn't complete this bottom bit. So a diagonal line going up and a little rounded corner there when we go down. In other words, like a triangular shape. Just like that. Nice and big. Okay, we round off this corner of it and we come down and we do the other corner. So now it looks like a rounded square tilted on its side, like a diamond. Okay, now we can complete the helmet. We bring the T shape down. Bring it there and we finish the other edge. And now we have a helmet.
Yep.
Okay, and on this side we're drawing a little line there and a little line there. Those two things are the base of this horns that's going to come out. So the horns is going to go like that and back and the other side as well. So we're going and we're bringing the horn back down and there we have it. You got yours?
Yep.
Okay.
And the other one.
And another one on the other side. And bring it back down. And I've got two horns on my Shovel Knight helmet. Yep. Okay, so now for the shoulder armor. So we're going to draw like a C-shaped line. Just there, like a curved line. Again, touching that corner of the helmet, touching the corner piece there. And we stop. So now we double up on this line, make it a rounded edge, double up on it, follow through. So make it like a thick piece. Got yours?
Yep.
And we add a dome to that. And that's a shoulder armor.
Yep.
Okay, so on this side, we do the same. We draw that C-shaped bowl first, C-shaped line. You got yours?
Yep.
Double it up, bring it back, make it thicker. And it's the base of the shoulder piece again. And before we draw the bowl, the dome that covers this, like that there, we're gonna need to draw
A shovel.
the shovel, because
Yeah.
the shovel kind of in front of him and a bit of it is showing through. So we draw a line going that way and a line going that way. And I draw a shovel on top, slightly pointed tip there and down. And inside here, we're gonna draw two lines going in, like a shovel.
Yep.
And like a diamond tip thing going inside there. And that's the Shovel Knight shovel. And we can add a little line coming up there. And we draw the rest of the base here, the metal piece. Yep, that's a shovel head. And now we can fill in that piece of armor by going behind the tip of the shovel. There we go.
Yep.
So now we have his head, we have his chest plate, we have his shoulder pads, and we have the top of the shovel. So now, down here, so below the shoulder piece, we need to draw a line coming down, just a curved line just here. and we're going to draw it under the edge of the shoulder here. So we're just doing that, just like that.
Okay.
And we double it up and we make it a thick little curved shape again. Now, look at this. We draw a line going up there and a line going that way. And now we connect those lines, make it look like an elbow, and we draw some muscle coming down there, and then another elbow piece going, and we just tuck it. I know it looks kind of weird, but that's how it looks. Now it all makes sense. We draw a thumb shape, and we draw 3 fingers. Yeah, we can fill it in. Just like that. And we draw the stick, the wooden part of the shovel handle coming down there and there, and then close it off. So now you can see it's an arm holding a shovel.
Yeah, but
You kind of ran out of space?
he accidentally broke his shovel. So.
He accidentally broke the
So-
shovel on that side. That's
So that's why yelling like that.
fine. It's fine. His shovel is a bit broken. So now we can add a little hilt, like a sword's hilt. Okay. And we're gonna draw some oval shapes and we stack them. See, now it looks like a grip, like a shovel grip, like you can put your hand there.
Yeah.
And now we draw another one but further away. Just a little rectangle there. And then we add a triangular shape to that there to make a shovel handle, and then double it up and come out this way. So there's the Shovel Knight shovel. Let's see yours. That's perfect, my boy. Okay, so now for the other arm, we are going to draw. Do we draw the other arm first, or the rest of the arm to make it fit and fit it in off?
I think the
The arm, okay. So touching the shoulder pad on this side, we are going to draw another little forearm shape. Wait, we started with the cuff, didn't we? We started with the cuff that side. So we're gonna check the height. We're gonna go down from about this point here, with the shoulder pad meets the chest plate. We come down, and right there we draw a diagonal little line and we double it up. We have a little oval kind of shape. You got that? So now we add shape inside that, on that there, coming from it. And we draw one outer line, but this line touches that in the shoulder piece there, and there we go. And we can draw other lines connecting them, because this is just outer arm and this is actual arm. And now we draw a fist shape, just 3 fingers, just like that, because his fist is clenched. Down here we need to draw an oval that's touching there, and one here as well inside it to double it up. Okay, then see where his fist is touching? We're going to draw another oval with a C-shaped line coming there, and we double it back into there. And we draw the dome on that, but his fist is on his hip. Okay. And then we draw a line connecting those, and we draw a line going out there, but on this side we need to draw another one of those doubled up lines, just like that. And we draw a bit of a dome on it, because that's the armor on that hip. Got it?
Got it.
Okay, so now we draw in his body. Here we go. Just a line going down there. Okay. That's correct. That's correct. And we need to add in his legs now. So his legs go wide. So his legs comes down there from beneath the armor, and And we're gonna put little kneecaps here. We can just put diamond shapes similar to his chest plate. We're gonna put 2 diamond shapes there. You got that? Okay. And this side here, below the diamond shapes, we're going to draw little domes, and that's going to be his toe caps of his shoes. Just draw 2 little domes. Yep. And we draw a line going up to the kneecap. This line goes back a bit because he's got a wide leg and goes back up there. And we connect the knees to the legs, to the thighs. Yep. That one connects there. And then this one, same thing, nice and wide. And that one goes up there. And we complete that little line there. And that's the Shovel Knight. Let's see. There we got it. We've got 2 Shovel Knights. You've got a big, strong Shovel Knight. And yeah, now they both look big and strong, but yours look bulkier. So we've got the Shovel Knight's helmet, the chest plate, the shoulder pad, his arm holding his shovel there, and this arm just resting on his hip. He's got 3 pieces of armor and his legs is down there.
Yep.
Well done, Izzy. That's our Shovel Knight.
Yep.
Okay, time to color. So we need blue. He's mostly blue. He's got yellow. His horns is the color of horns normally, so it's kind of a ivory cream color. You know what color ivory is? It's just like off-white. It's not quite white. It's light, very light color. It's also known as cream. So yeah, you know, like our cow's horns look that color.
Yeah.
What's that color? So okay, so blue and light blue and yellow and brown for the shovel stick. Okay, here we go. And there we have it, everybody. That's our Shovel Knight. Izzy's got the big, strong Shovel Knight, and I've got the slightly smaller, slightly more slender, also strong Shovel Knight. They both look kind of bulky, but that's good. We've got them looking good, both sides. I'm happy with my drawing, and your drawing looks pretty cool as well. I like the presence of your big head helmet. That looks cool.
And the shovel was snap.
And your snap through shovel. That's okay. That's okay. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Yep.
Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. And always remember to be good
And have fun.
and have fun.
Bye.
Bye.